Submitting a project on NXT is about clarity. Here's how to do it properly. There are 3 ways to add a project on NXT. From your profile, from the main menu, or directly from the My Projects page. Start with the project name. A good title is clear, direct, and informative. Say what it is, not what you hoped it becomes. Clarity is what gets clicks. Next, add a detailed, high-quality description. This is where people understand your project. Explain what it is, how it works, and why it exists. The better the description, the stronger the discovery. Select the blockchain your project lives on. This helps users filter, explore, and compare projects easily. Choose up to 5 categories. Categories helps position your project inside the ecosystem. Pick what truly represents your project, not everything. Define the artistic style. This gives immediate visual context to your project. It helps the right audience find you faster. You can also add custom tags. Use them when what you offer doesn't fit nearly into categories. You can add a mint date, supply, and important links. Everything collector usually looks for in one place. You can add a video URL, MP4, or similar formats. This video appears at the top of your project. For YouTube links, you can add a teaser that plays directly on the page. This is your first visual impression. Make it count. Now add your FAQ. This is where you remove friction. Answer the question people always ask: mint details, utility, roadmap, links, anything unclear. A good FAQ turns curiosity into confidence. You can also add a project image, even if you added a video. Both will be available to users. This section is about what makes your project different, not better, different. Add a creator bio specific to this project. This is different from your project bio. If your project includes collaborators, you can add them here because creation is often collective. Here, an example of a fully completed project. This is what a strong project presentation looks like on NXT. You must know, every project is moderated before going live. This keeps NXT curated, not noisy. NXT isn't about speed. It's about presenting your work with intention. If you're building in Web3, take the time to do it right. That's it, Web3. Welcome to NXT.